How to circular crop in Affinity Designer. I have opened Affinity Designer here and now I will import an image. Now I want to circular crop this image. Now you go to this pixel persona and select the elliptical marquee tool and you click and drag your circle however you want it to be, and you can reposition it like this. And now you go back to the designer persona and you click in the middle of the circle and press Ctrl X. That region will be cut, and then you open a new file and paste. There you go. You have circular cropped a picture in Affinity Designer. So I was having problem with that, so I thought that I should make a tutorial. So I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching.